Good morning people, how you doing? I hope you're doing good. So welcome back to not so consistent but not so boring vlog of Boring Boat.
Amongst the dead, buried in our bread.
Right now I'm in Solang Valley, also known as the Adventure Valley. Let me tell you one thing. Last time I was here and today the scenario is completely different. I've never seen this place this much quiet. There's no one around here, only I think few locals. So now, as we know, the Himachal government has now opened the borders. So I think more tourists will come and we will see more people over here in times. Let's see.
And the magnitude of everything you ever said kept us well and fed. And
4 to 5 months, nowhere to go inside our house. And it was not a complete shutdown. I guess Unlock 1.0 was announced in June and we were allowed to travel. All the transport facilities were available, but still, keeping in mind the situation, traveling was still a risk. So coming to today's vlog, we are going to Jogini Waterfall, a huge waterfall, a beautiful place in Manali, one of the beautiful places in Manali, also a beautiful trail. So make sure to watch till the end. Let's go. Chill.
I'll walk away to my dismay. I'll never come back on my own. I need some proof while you're marooned. Keep yourself pruned and composed. Forever, forever, no. Not never. I'll never last. I found a proof in harvest moons. You're pale as the sun would go down. Amid the drift, you never left. Steady, you never let down. Forever, forever, yeah. Now never, you never left.
Vashisht, थका तो नहीं फिर?
नहीं भाई, तू थका होगा। आइए गाइस, तो काफ़ी लोग समझते हैं कि ये बैकवर्ड एरिया है, यहाँ पे आपको सुविधाएं नहीं मिलेगी। यहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारी, ये यहाँ देखिए जूम, ये स्क्रीन गार्ड है। अगर कभी आपके फ़ोन को कुछ प्रॉब्लम आए तो यहाँ पे स्क्रीन गार्ड भी मिलता है। ओके ओके गाइस, अब आपको और चीज़ें दिखाएंगे हम। तो गाइस आज हम आए हैं बीहड़ों में, देख सकते हैं आप कैमरामैन तो ध्यान से आना। यहाँ पे तरह तरह के पशु पक्षी दिखेंगे आपको और ये पौधे
यार।
काफी जहरीले। जूम जूम ये देख रहे हैं आप, इसमें ये जहरीला
Finally guys, we are here, Jogini Fall. Let me show you. Are you guys ready? 3, 2, 1.
Forever young, never, you never learn. Forever, forever young, never, you never learn. Forever young, never, you never learn.
I don't know if you can hear me because the sound of the waterfall is so loud. Just check out the size of this waterfall. It's still amazing. I've been here once, but visiting this place second time doesn't make any difference. It's still beautiful. It's still jaw-dropping. What can I say? A piece of heaven just dropped from the sky. A small paradise away from all the dirt. So one more thing I want to add, this is also a sacred place. So if you visit this place, as you can see, it is clearly mentioned that चीखना चिल्लाना वर्जित है, कूड़ा कचरा ना फैलाएं, इस जगह को साफ सुथरा रखें. So just embrace the nature and enjoy the view. That's all. So this was all about today's vlog. So this was Jogini Falls for you. I hope you liked it. And if you liked it, just give me one of those. Hit the subscribe button and leave your feedback in the comment section. That's it. See you in the next vlog. This is Siddhant Bodh signing off.